Hey guys, do you like slime more than me? Well, if you do, no one can. I have a lot of slime. Not just that one. I'll show you. Now there's this one. So there's this one. Not there's this one. Yeah. Look at this one. Well, this one. So you just buy okay. Enjoy our plan. Okay. Who likes slime? Me, of course. Who's that off? But I can say, well, we'll put that one. This container? No. This container? No, wait. But this container. It's got shaving cream. I put it shaving slime. Well, not everyone likes shaving cream, but I do. A lot. I got 3 bottles of it. But mine looks like this. But yeah, it's stretchy. Wow, not really. It's fully slime. It's like butt slime, but pieces slime. Okay. I don't really think we can, but I can't see the camera. That's it. Now I gotta get all the shaving cream into this one slime. Think we can do it, guys? I can, it's just I can't do it so fast. I got this hand, but he doesn't really like slime. But oh yeah, guys, if I had a haircut, it's super ugly. So I don't really want to show my face. Okay, I'll show it. I already am. Well, I'm not going to $20 today. I bought all of this in the containers. The lids. The shaving cream. The others about only fucking this. I want to give it some color like that. And you just gotta mix it up. Just crunch it. They're using all of the slimes. I got some inside. But there's some sort of donuts inside, so recommend not showing you guys. Because it was my brother's fail slimes with a lot of my glue, which they wasted. So, never trust your brother's making slime. So, I'm now just going to put all the lipstick on. But yeah, I haven't showed you this slime. But it's super cool. It's a lot of slime. It's sexy. I like poking at things. But it looks like a boy. Because like my hair looks like one, but I'm super stretchy. And guess what, guys? Listen to this. It's like it's farting. So let's get slime away. These nose people, you know, I love this slime. I call it a marshmallow floor. It's heavy, and I got all the slime. There's actually four of these slimes were in one container. But I made some confusing and get some different containers to put this on. And I could have put a container for this one, but this one was the big one. It's super hot. It's strong stuff, but it's melted. And I'm also just like trying not to because it's hot. That's why I couldn't really pick this one up and show you. The next video I will. So these are all the slimes. Got this container, this container, this container, and this container. And this is the lid. That's how I put the slimes in that.